What is Layam? Layam in simple term called as rhythm is very essential in Carnatic music. Layam is measured using talam. Most of the basic varisai starting from Sarali varisai to Mezthai are all set to Adi talam, which is also called Chatusha Jati Triputa talam. Let me show you how rhythm works. Sarigama, sarigama, sarigama padanisa. You would have seen me not changing the rhythm but changing only the number of swaras occupying one beat. This is how you show speed variations without changing the rhythm. For more such videos, stay tuned.